Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
I was taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, new Wayfarer RB2132 in color code 6181/85. It's a matte Havana beige red color frame. On the temples here, we have a Ray-Ban logo in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the Ray-Ban writing in silver. The lenses are a brown gradient color, and it has a Ray-Ban writing on the top right lens and a Ray-Ban logo engraved in the left lens. Up here we have a Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.